Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do distress locks, aka butterfly locks. I'm only going to be showing you guys how to do two in the front, so let's get on with it. Cue the intro. What up guys? So this is going to be my first voiceover, and right here you just see me taking the hair, wrapping it around the straw. I'm going to be making like water waves. I learned this method from another YouTuber I was watching, so I'm gonna just let this play and I'll be back. So now that you've finished doing all of that wrapping, you're going to bend the straw and add yourself a bobby pin there to keep it secure so that nothing unfolds while you are pouring hot water on it, which I'm about to show you. So I would say I made about 50 of these. Just make as many as you think you'll need and more. So once you finish that, you want to go ahead and have your water boiled into the side so that once you're done, you could just pour it on here. And I promise you, no straws will be melted or anything. Like, I checked before. And yeah, so now your hair is nicely curled. If you have more time, I would say to let them air dry so that they're fully dried. But since I didn't and I needed them quick, I just blow dried them. You're going to take your hair and untangle it. Then you're going to pass your crochet hook through. I'm going to take that piece of hair and put it on the crochet hook. See, this is my problem with the crochet hook. It be hooking to other parts and get stuck. So you're going to hook the hair, close the clip, close the hook, and pull it through. That was kind of a hard one. Then you're gonna find where it separates and pull one side through. Then you want to kind of measure out the length you want. Just the length. Then you start wrapping. Kind of be loose with it too, as I said before, so that it comes out with the distressed look. So I've gotten to the end, and then you just want to bend it up and then wrap around that part. And then start wrapping upwards. Alright, and that's it. Yeah, that's really all there is to it. And I also put green and yellow in the back because, you know, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I was just gonna put the green, but then I saw the yellow and I was like, that yellow looks good. See, now this one, I'm gonna have to fix this one. there's a lot of these I need to fix because, you know, this is my first time doing my hair like this. My second time in general doing my own hair. So these weren't all the ones that I first did weren't all that great, which were the green and yellow ones. But yeah, this is my hair. Hope you guys like this tutorial. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching all the way through. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post. And thank you for watching. Tell me if you like the green and the yellow. If you don't, you don't. If you do, you do. But y'all know the vibes. They're nice. Alright, well, have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you.